Are you looking for a one-dish meal that's really delicious? Today on Captain Housekeeper, I'm going to show you my favorite casserole, so stay tuned. When I was a kid, my mom used to make this casserole all the time. She called it Captain's Casserole. I don't know where she got the recipe from, but it is a family favorite. Even when we would go to the family reunion every summer, people would request that she would bring big giant vats of this casserole because it's so delicious. You know, casseroles are a really good option because you can prepare them in advance and put them in the refrigerator or even the freezer and then bake them just before you want to eat. So with as busy as we are nowadays, it's great to be able to pull a casserole that you've made out of the refrigerator, just pop it in the oven. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. This casserole is my secret weapon when I have company coming over because you put it in about an hour before they're going to arrive and the house smells so good by the time they get here. The house smells so good. Now that, my friends, is how you kick off a dinner party. So like with any recipe, the first thing you want to do is get all your ingredients chopped and measured. So let's get started. Now all you have to do is assemble it. The house smells so good. Now when you're serving it up, here's the trick. You want to go straight down with your serving spoon. This was done in layers, and you want to make sure you get some of every single layer. I hope you're enjoying these recipe videos. If you want to see more recipes, just click that YouTube card up there in the corner, and I'll also put a link to my recipe playlist in the show description. Hey, what's your go-to meal when you need something that's quick, easy, and also nutritious? Leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And say it with me, Captain. No matter what life throws at me, I have the ability to make this a fantastic day. The house smells so good.